The Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education, in conjunction with the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation, in collaboration with UNICEF, Solon Foundation, and FACT Zimbabwe, brings you educational lessons focusing on literacy and numerous skills. Parents and guardians, please assist children with special needs. Stay tuned for a fruitful lesson in education.
Welcome to the Education Zone, a program brought to you by the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education. I am Miriam Muzunze, your ECD Mathematics and Science Facilitator. Parents, guardians, and family members, you are welcome to the lesson. I understand that we have learners who have different learning abilities. Therefore, for the learners with partial hearing impairment, make them sit closer to the radio receiver. For the hard of hearing, kindly assist with sign language so that they benefit from this lesson. For this lesson, learners, make sure you have a pencil, a notebook, and an ICT gadget you can use for recording purposes. In the last lesson, I asked you to draw a heavy and a light object. For heavy objects, you are correct if you were able to draw one of these: a chair, a bucket full of water, a man, a packet of rice, a pile of books, a jug full of water, or a packet of sugar. For light objects, you are correct if you were able to draw a pencil, a book, a ruler, a leaf, a feather, a spoon, a cup, a toy, or a ball. Well done, boys and girls. Our topic today is measures, and we will be focusing on time. You are going to learn about different times of the day using morning, afternoon, and evening. Girls and boys, what do you understand by the words morning time? You are correct if you said it is from the time you wake up or sunrise up to midday. It is the time you wake up or sunrise up to midday. Tell your family members what you do during that time. Well done if you said you wake up in the morning, bath, put on your school uniform, have breakfast, go to school, learn, finish school, and go home. Well done, boys and girls. What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in the afternoon? Remember, afternoon is from midday up to sunset. You are correct if you said if you are at school, you do sports like soccer, swimming, athletics, and many others. You go home after sports and have lunch. Wash your uniform and socks. Polish your shoes. Do your homework, and sometimes you water the garden. Boys and girls, evening time. Tell someone assisting you what you understand by evening time. You are correct if you said it is the time from sunset to the time you go to sleep. What do you do during that time, boys and girls? You are correct if you said you bath, have supper. After supper, you wash the plates, watch television, or listen to stories from your parents and grandparents. You may also do other things as a family. Now, boys and girls, let us recite a poem called Little Boys and Little Girls. I want you to listen attentively as I recite the poem. We will then recite the poem together a second time. I will start, boys and girls. Little boys, little girls, now time for bed. A pillow is waiting for each little head. Sleep all night and wake up in the morning. Go to school and play some games. Now, boys and girls, I want you to stand up. Let us recite the poem together. Let's go. Little boys, little girls, now time for bed. A pillow is waiting for each little head. Sleep all night and wake in the morning. Go to school and play some games. Well done, well done, well done, boys and girls. Now you may take your seat. Tell someone assisting you what you learned today. Well done if you said you learned about time using the words morning, afternoon, and evening. For your homework, draw a picture of a sun in the morning. Draw a picture of a sun in the morning. We have come to the end of our lesson, boys and girls. I am Miriam Muzunze, your ECD Mathematics and Science Facilitator. Stay at home, wash and sanitize your hands, and stay safe.
Today's broadcast of educational lessons was brought to you by the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education in conjunction with the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation in collaboration with UNICEF, Solon Foundation, and FACT Zimbabwe. We hope you enjoyed the educational broadcast. Tune in for more educational lessons on ZBC Radio.